Homeowners looking for custom Carpentry Texarkana TX rely on detailed craftsmanship to elevate everyday living spaces. From custom woodwork Texarkana and finish carpentry Texarkana to trim carpentry Texarkana, local projects often include refined upgrades that improve style, storage, and value. A skilled residential carpenter Texarkana can handle everything from small detail work to full home transformation, making custom carpentry services in Texarkana TX ideal for remodels, additions, and interior enhancements. When working with a Texarkana TX custom woodworking contractor, clients often choose tailored solutions that fit the layout, architecture, and design goals of homes throughout Texarkana, TX, and nearby neighborhoods. Built-ins are one of the most popular ways to maximize beauty and function in Texarkana homes. Built-in shelving Texarkana, entertainment center built-ins Texarkana, and home office built-ins Texarkana Texas add storage while creating a polished, permanent look. A built-in bookcase carpenter Texarkana TX can design shelving around fireplaces, media walls, living rooms, studies, and flex spaces. Many homeowners also request custom carpentry Texarkana TX for mudrooms, family rooms, and bedrooms, especially when they want seamless storage that looks original to the home. For personalized interiors, a custom entertainment center builder Texarkana TX delivers efficient organization with elegant custom millwork Texarkana. Trim details define a room, and precision finish work brings interior spaces together. Finish carpenter near downtown Texarkana TX services often include crown molding installation Texarkana, baseboard installation Texarkana, and trim and molding installation Texarkana Texas for both classic and modern homes. Baseboards and door trim Texarkana TX help create clean transitions, while crown molding carpenter in Texarkana TX services add visual height and architectural interest. Whether the project involves subtle finishing touches or complete interior millwork, a residential wood trim contractor Texarkana TX ensures joints, corners, and lines are sharp and consistent. Custom carpentry Texarkana is especially valuable in living rooms, hallways, dining areas, and renovated master suites. Kitchens benefit from tailored craftsmanship that improves workflow and aesthetics at the same time. Kitchen carpentry services Texarkana frequently include cabinet installation Texarkana, kitchen remodel carpentry in Texarkana TX, custom millwork Texarkana, and custom cabinets and built-ins Texarkana TX for islands, pantries, and breakfast areas. A home remodeling carpenter can create wood accents that blend with countertops, flooring, and lighting while also increasing useful storage. In many Texarkana TX homes, custom woodwork Texarkana is used to frame range hoods, finish islands, install decorative shelving, and complete trim packages. For homeowners wanting upgraded kitchens with lasting appeal, bespoke carpentry Texarkana offers a custom-fitted result that standard products cannot match. Wall and ceiling features create strong visual impact and give ordinary rooms a custom feel. Shiplap wall installation Texarkana, wainscoting installation Texarkana, and wood paneling installation Texarkana are popular choices for entryways, dining rooms, bedrooms, and offices. Homeowners also invest in wainscoting and panel molding Texarkana TX to add depth, formality, and texture to interior walls. Overhead, coffered ceiling carpentry Texarkana and wood ceiling beams installation Texarkana TX can transform living rooms and primary suites into standout spaces with architectural character. For accent-focused design, shiplap and custom carpentry Texarkana TX is a practical way to introduce warmth and dimension while keeping the finish tailored to the style of the property. Doors and windows require exact measurements and clean finishing for long-term performance and appearance. A door installation carpenter Texarkana can handle interior and exterior door upgrades, while door hanging and frame installation Texarkana TX ensures proper fit, swing, and alignment. Window trim carpentry Texarkana and window casing and trim carpenter Texarkana TX services help frame views beautifully and tie windows into the overall trim design of the home. Paired with baseboard installation Texarkana and crown molding installation Texarkana, these details create cohesive interiors from room to room. In remodeled homes throughout Texarkana TX, careful finish Carpentry Texarkana around openings is often what makes the final result feel complete and professionally crafted. Custom storage solutions are essential for busy households that want both order and elegance. Custom Closet Carpentry Texarkana and Custom Closet Builder Texarkana Texas services give homeowners more efficient wardrobe organization through shelves, hanging areas, drawers, and built-in accessories. In bedrooms, laundry spaces, and mudrooms, Custom Carpentry Texarkana TX can be designed for daily convenience without sacrificing style. Many families also combine built-in shelving Texarkana with personalized closet systems to make better use of limited square footage. A licensed custom carpenter Texarkana TX can develop storage layouts that match the needs of growing families, professionals, and retirees throughout Texarkana TX and nearby residential communities.